Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Welver channel. Today I'll show you how to convert text to PDF on your phone. On Android, it's done pretty much the same way. First, you'll need to open the App Store, go to Search, and type in Docs. So, we open Google Docs, download it and install. Open it, and then open or create a document. Let's say I'll create a new document and name it. Click Create and type in the text you need or paste it from wherever. Then tap the three dots, tap Share and Export, and tap Send a Copy. Select PDF format and tap OK. Then tap Save to Files and save the PDF version, which you can find in your files. So there. And here's our PDF document, which you can now transfer and use however you want. That's it. This was Welver. See you all later.